Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review about this Gio Yao 2.2 soundbar. It has really amazing options. I think here we get everything whatever possible for a soundbar. All the possible connection options which you could think about are implemented here, and it comes in a large box here. It's almost impossible to show you this thing. Already looks pretty good, and I'm going to unbox this and show it in real life for you. And so this is what we get in the packaging. It's nicely protected, as you can see. Also these accessories and this instructions manual. By the way, what we can see that the model type is BT103, and so it looks like the instructions manual is really nice, describes everything what we get, how to install, how to use, but I'm doing this anyway. We get also remote control, which can be very helpful for TV things, and here you can see all the technical description how to connect it to the TV, all the different options. And here we can see all the different accessories which we get. We get these cinch connections, a lot of different cinch cables, as you can see, also some 3.5 millimeter cables, then full HDMI cable, then this optical cable even included, then of course the power adapter and the remote control, and even some mounting screws. And we see similar things in a lot of different soundbars, but the thing which is really interesting here, that's the construction, this super flexible construction, so that you can use these speakers individually or together. And you can see we have this nice stand, comes with the soft rubber feet. So what we have to do, we align this opening here and this mount, and then we twist it to the side, and now it's already mounted, so you don't even need some screws or so. So here we have already one of these really nice speakers. We can put them on the side of the TV in upright position. Of course, same thing with the second one. Very easy to do. And so we put them on the side of the TV, and then we have absolute excellent stereo effect from left to right. This is absolutely awesome. But we have also the other option where we can combine these to one large soundbar. I'm going to show you that as well. So we remove the stands here, same thing with the second one. And now you can see we have also these soft rubber feet here on the side, also with this one here. And so of course this comes then like upside down. And so this is how it works. Here we have this mount, and here on the right side we have the opening. So we align this, snap them together and rotate them, and we have one large soundbar here already. And it's also very stable, as you can see, because it has these 2 feet on both sides. And so in this case, of course, we don't need these sockets here. But what's needed, definitely, no matter how you mount this thing, we need a connection between these 2 parts, because the ports here are just on one side. So we have to connect them either with a short cable when they are connected, or with the long cable when you have them on the side of the TV. And so we just push this thing here down and connect them very easily through this opening, and then we can connect the power here on this side, but it's powered then automatically to the other side. And so in total we have 3 different options how to mount it. We can put this thing in front of the TV as one large soundbar, but we can also separate them, have them on the side for maximum stereo effect. But we can also mount these things either single ones or as a total piece on wall. You can see these really nice mounts here work in 4 different ways, so this is as flexible as it gets. And so we can connect the soundbar either through wire or wireless. Of course, the easiest way is Bluetooth, so I'm going to show you Bluetooth. Of course, it's not the best quality. I highly recommend to use wired connection, because usually this is much better, but this is easier to do. So when we turn it on for the first time, it's by default on optical connection, but we can change that either with the remote control or here on the soundbar itself. You can see can go through all these different options, and we are already on Bluetooth. Now I pressed a little bit too much, but we can also use this remote control. This is super convenient. And so we are here on Bluetooth again. We see this BT103. I click here on connect or pairing, and then of course we give authorization. and it's already active, confirmed. Now let's see if we can play something. Oh wow, that sounds really impressive. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Deep bass sound coming directly here from the soundbar. Yeah, I hope you can hear that. I mean, of course, it's just recorded with the microphone of my smartphone, but this is super impressive sound, I can tell you. Really nice. I put it down, maybe it's even better. Yeah, this thing is as good as it gets. Very convenient, very easy to connect, very easy to control. You can even control here the volume very nicely from here. And you can see we have also a lot of different options. We can adjust the bass, and everything is nicely described here. So we can increase and decrease the treble and the bass sound. Yeah, that makes it sound even better. Yeah, absolutely amazing. So easy to use. And on top of that, we have even some predefined options, which you can see, like this live, club, dance, whole, soft, a lot of different options. And then we have even the 3D effect, and I can definitely tell you that's a huge difference. It's not just like any button here. You can feel a huge difference. It makes everything much clearer. So for me, I would say this is as good as it gets, and so I can highly recommend it. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it out from there if you like it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.